Hi there everyone, once again this is Digital Life Changer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize the sound of your condenser microphone. We will be using a BM-800 Professional Condenser Microphone with a V8 Soundcard. By the way, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified to our next tutorial videos. Shout out to the following from our last tutorial video.
As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry.
Note that in this video, we will not focus on the assembly of the microphone arm stand. We will directly proceed with the setup of the BM-800 condenser microphone and the V8 Soundcard. To start, let us check our V8 Soundcard. At the back, we see 8 female ports. 4 are micro USB ports for Live 1, Live 2, accompanying instrument, and charging. We have 3 female 3.5mm audio jacks for the earphone speaker, headset, and the BM-800 condenser microphone. On the far right is for the dynamic microphone. Our first step is to plug in our BM-800 condenser microphone to the V8 Soundcard. Our next step is to connect the device where you will be doing the live streaming or recording to Live 1 audio jack.
I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace.
Note that the device we are referring could be your laptop, PC, tablet, or phone. Our third step is to connect a listening device. It could be an earphone, speaker, or headset. In our case, we will use an earphone. This step is necessary so that we can hear our own voice while we are talking to the condenser microphone, or when we use the sound effects included in the V8 Soundcard. Now, we are ready to do a few audio tests. Hello, mic test 1, 2. Mic test 1, 2. Mic test 1, 2, mic test 1, 2, mic test 1, 2. Mic test 1, 2, mic test 1, 2, mic test 1, 2. Mic test 1, 2, mic test 1, 2. Mic test 1, 2, mic test 1, 2. For our last test, our Live 1 will be connected to a laptop and accompanying instrument will be connected to an iPad.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Hello, mic test 1, 2. Hello, hello. Hello, mic test 1, 2, mic test 1, 2, mic test 1, 2. Hello, mic test 1, 2. Mic test 1, 2, hello. Hello, mic test 1, 2. Hello. To optimize the quality of the voice from the BM-800, let's download the Voicemeeter. Go to the link provided below and scroll down. Click Install.
To watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Once done installing, go to the control panel, view by small icons. Click Sounds, then go to the Recording tab and set the Voicemeeter as default. Now, open the newly installed Voicemeeter. On the Voicemeeter, set your hardware input to the device name with MME as shown in the video. Then, set your A1 hardware output to the device name with MME as shown in the video. You may want to experiment because the sound output will depend also to the hardwares of your system. Anyway, in my case, I find it good to my ears to put this orange rectangle to the left. Now, let's set the bass and treble of both V8 Soundcard and Voicemeeter. This is the sound of my voice without Voicemeeter. This is the sound of my voice without Voicemeeter. The V8 Soundcard treble is at maximum and the bass is at minimum. This is the sound of my voice with Voicemeeter. The V8 Soundcard treble is at maximum and bass is at minimum. This is the sound of my voice with optimized Voicemeeter. The V8 Soundcard treble is at maximum and bass is at minimum. So that's it. I hope this is already helpful. I don't want this to be a long video. Anyway, my purpose of doing this is to make you understand that even with a very affordable BM-800 condenser microphone, you can achieve a good sound output. You can always experiment with different software settings. But before we go, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Our goal is to reach as many people as possible with our simple videos. We hope that our videos in some ways could help them too. I know that it's quite a big goal, but with your help, I believe nothing is impossible. Until next time, bye-bye!
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid.